Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ratata from Wazobia FM. And I here, of course, with the Honorable Chairman. Only she going to introduce herself. Today, what did they talk about for here today concern market runs? And a very big, wonderful idea whether they share palliative cash amount to market women, traders. So only our boss and madam herself go talk by herself. Make una hear from her mouth. How the thing go taste sweet for her mouth. If you look around now, all the women they don't gather from different places for this beautiful local government area. Madam, good morning, man.
Good morning, my brother.
Oh yeah, that's so may we meet you.
My name is Princess Rashida Abiodun Adu. I'm the executive chairman Eru Victoria Island Local Council Development Area. Yeah, so what we dey do today? No be the first one wey we go do be this. So this one na go be the fourth one wey we go do.
The fourth one.
The fourth one wey we go do. But this one wey we dey do today, it can't be past the one wey we don dey do before.
Okay.
Because before na like 200, like 250, 300 we dey do. Okay. But this one we dey do today na 500 for indigent traders. Okay. Wey dey for Eru Victoria Island Local Council Development Area. Okay. And as we dey do and so, no be say we get our party members wey we say na party members this thing dey for. Yeah. No, I waka go market, Anola Oniru market, okay, on Thursday last week after the environmental sanitation. I carry the form share for everybody for the market. Okay. I don't know the party where they belong to, okay, and I tell them I don't even want to know the party where they belong to. Okay. So far they reside for Eru Victoria Island. Okay. Now beneficiaries them be. Okay. So I share, I give everybody for inside the market. Those where I feel give for the market, and some of them wey collect the form for the market, they are here now this morning. Okay. To participate for the program. Okay. And that's what we do for everybody for Eru Victoria Island. Okay. What we they give them 50,000 naira as a grant, okay, to add to the business where they don't they do. Okay. And some we don't even have existing business. Okay. If you carry 50,000 naira, give person for this Nigeria of today. Yes. If na pure water bag, like 20 bags, okay, the person feel use the money buy. He could start up a business. Okay. And the thing we they tell them be say, make them no despise little beginning. Okay. Because if you start with small thing, yes, the thing go dey grow. Okay. If you manage them well. Okay. And I'm sure say all the people where they here today, okay, we don't interview them, okay, to ask them say if you collect this money, what do you want take and do? Exactly. They don't tell us say even some say na 20,000 they need, okay, to start business, okay, and we they give 50,000. Okay. So if they can't give them the 50,000, okay, we go come pray join them. Okay. Say as they collect the money, yes, make God multiply the money for them. Okay. And that's what God go do in, okay, Jesus' name. Okay.
So you said this one at the number 4
edition. Yes.
Okay, so how often do you do this?
We do it quarterly.
Quarterly?
Yes.
So when be the next one now?
And July now.
Alright.
Before now, say 100,000 we they give. That's why we they do 250, 200, okay, 300. Okay. But because we don't come get large numbers now, okay, we can't reduce them to 50,000. So that the thing go round, okay, well. Okay. And not be one-off thing. Okay. Now waiting we they do often. So very soon now, people where they here now, yes, we no get today. Yes. We collect money today. Yes. We go dey monitor them as, okay, they use the money. Okay. So subsequent edition where we go do, yes, we go see okay a few thousand where we give you, the thing don't get a profit of 10,000 naira for head. Okay. Join another 50,000 naira to it. Oh. Now so we go dey build them, okay, so their business go grow.
Okay, so what did make you think about this kind of initiative in the first place?
And Yoruba parlance they talk and say owo odogba. Okay. Say fingers no dey equal. Okay. Some go get millions to start business. Okay. Some go get some money to start business. We no reach millions. Okay. Some no even get at all. Okay. That's why we call them indigent. Okay. For those way we say they no get. Okay. So we can't use the system say okay some people will dey this removal of fuel scarcity. Okay. Fuel subsidy. Yeah. You don't get wetin you don't affect. Okay. For business. Okay. So as the president they do in own. Yes. Where the state governor say Babajide Olusola Sanwo-Olu say, okay, and our president, yes, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, okay, GCFR, as he said they do in own. Okay. We where they local, yes, make we self complement the efforts where then they do on top of the fuel subsidy remover. Make we self support our people. Yes. Now we say we do because these people where you see so, yes, they are closer to us, okay, than to states, okay, than to federal. Okay. They can come here at any time now, knock at my door. Even if I know they, then go stay. Wait till then go see chairman. It's not easy for them like that to go to state. It's not easy like that for them to go to federal and see the president. But because we be representative for here and we are closer to them, we see ourselves often. We know the needs of our people and the yearnings of our people. That's why we are doing this to them.
Okay. All right, well, thank you very much. And which time your activities go to start?
The thing go kick off as soon as the people will go do the money transfer. They here now. Some of them are here already. As soon as they all gather together here, we'll kickstart it and we'll tell them that this money, no be to go buy family ashoebi, no be to carry and go chop, no be to carry for the men where they among them. No be only women they here, men too they here. No be only women they do business, men too they do business. And youth self then they here. So everything what we they do here, we carry everybody along because now everybody we need make them grow. As youth they grow, make women they grow. As women they grow, make men they grow. Because women now then they forefront of the home. If husband no day, make woman feel stand for the house, support the husband as helpmates. Husband too, wife bring, husband bring, join them together, make the house stand. Now we see what they do today be that.
Okay, my last question. This money one I won't give them. Now cash, I been a transfer, I been a how?
We no give cash, we no go give cash because to even get the cash now, no be say we no fit get cash to give them, but no cash like that. We go around 500 people for waiting with the talk. So now transfer we go do. We even want to use that to encourage them, so that everybody will get bank accounts. So that if you dey do your business, you go dey save your money. For credit sef, if you collect credit for bank, na only if you open account, now you go fit do that one. So we use that one too to encourage them, make them go open account so that they can have their own personal savings too.
All right, so thank you, our honorable chairman, right? God go bless you. We wish you so well. So this one na Wazobia FM. So what you go tell Wazobia FM?
I go greet una say una well done o. As we no even invite una say we dey do anything here. Una don torchlight una tentacles. Una don spread that the thing don reach here. So the antenna una can't take no say we dey do something for here. Make na use the antenna go broadcast say the thing wey we dey do here no be one off thing we go still dey do am because the passion for our people we get am for heart and we will continue to assist them, support them in areas that is necessary for us to do as government. They should also support government by not putting plastics into the drainage because Victoria Island, you know, we dey above the sea level. Any small thing wey you drop for inside canal, inside drainage, it go affect us. Flood go dey, and we want a flood-free Victoria Island local council development area. Thank you, Wazobia. In the radio station, go dey grow, go dey strong. Amen. Thank you and God bless.
Amen. All right, so my name is Naira. This is Market Trust and we're there here. Must go around and I will give you our feedback. Ratata says so. Now the matter talking about say the palliative when they give to market women traders for IRU, stroke VILCDA, and of course no other person now the chairman when they do. Of course I think Honorable Princess Rashidat Abiodun, right? Now she they run the matter. We don't interview her finish, but right now more interview one or two market women. May they follow us talk when we ask them a few questions, ladies and gentlemen. All right, good morning, madam.
Good morning.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
So what will be your name?
My name now Olaide Okoya.
So you be market woman?
Yes, I be market woman.
Which market? You go talk me with your.
I dey sell drinks, anything that has to do with drinks, soft drink, wine, water, ice block, edible ice block. That is what I sell.
Okay, so right about now. So what carry you come here?
Now the palliative matter where we here. So chairman become myself distributes forms for everybody where they sell market around Victoria Island, New Market. Yes. She go around herself. So now from that form we take benefits, we fill them, and as at 2 days ago, them been tell us say we go come receive the money where they won't give us. Now waiting carry us come here be that today.
So how much do they expect?
Well, according to what they tell us, they say na 50K per one person.
So what you go do with the 50K?
That 50K for this regime we dey so na very long way go. Okay. I go use and buy more markets for wetin I dey sell, so that I go feel gain more profit. Okay. Because NEPA no dey do us justice, we need to buy more fuel so that we go feel augment the business what we dey do.
Okay. All right, thank you very much. I wish you so well. What will be your name?
Aroro Folake.
You be market woman?
Yes, so I'm selling market at Oliru Beach.
Okay. So what you dey sell?
I'm selling beer, barbecue, and wine and drink.
So what you carry you come here today?
Our chairman gave us invitation to come.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So what you say make una come do?
They should invite us for what they want to give us today.
Okay. So what you dey expect they will give una today?
Today we are expecting good money because Oliru that we are selling now, they have already destroyed there 2 weeks ago. Okay. They said she live there. Okay. So anything better they're supposed to give us because of this problem we face at Oliru Beach. Okay. Yes.
So when they give you the money today now as a market woman, what you go take and do?
I will take and start my business because I'm finding another place at Elegushi site to move to the place.
Okay. All right, thank you, man. Nice to meet you, right?
All right.
Take care, man.
Thank you.
Yes. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so what will be your name, sir?
My name is Kazim Delulugobi.
Okay, you be market man, you be trader?
Yes, sir. I'm
which market?
member of the executive Oniru Market.
Okay, Oniru Market, Abi. So what you carry you come here today?
The local government say want to help market people and woman and man to give a 50,000 to help to selling market. Okay. That's making come here today.
So when they give you this money now, what you go take and do?
I'll go buy market to put for our market, make it increase our own.
So what you dey say, gong?
I sell building materials.
Okay, building materials. Okay. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you, sir.
Chook pound. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.